Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Kismawati with NPM 2341241 from Accounting Class 23A. In this video, I will explain about legal, technological, accounting, and political environment. In international business, companies operate in different environments that influence their decisions and performance. In the context of international business, companies do not operate in a single, uniform environment. Instead, they face various external factors that can affect how they run their operations in different countries. These environments include legal, technological, accounting, and political aspects. Each of these factors plays a significant role in shaping business strategies and decision-making process. For instance, legal systems determine what companies are allowed to do, while technology affects how efficiently they can operate and compete. Accounting standards influence how financial information is reported and interpreted, and political conditions determine the level of stability and risk in a country. Because of these differences, companies must be more careful when entering international markets compared to domestic markets. Understanding these environments is essential not only to avoid risks but also to identify opportunities. Companies that are able to analyze and adapt to these factors effectively will have a better chance of succeeding in the global market. Legal environment. The legal environment refers to the laws and regulations that govern business activities in a country. Every country has its own legal framework, and companies must comply with these laws when operating internationally. This includes business regulations, trade laws, labor laws, and intellectual property rights. For example, some countries impose strict import restrictions or high tariffs to protect local industries, while others encourage free trade. Companies must understand these policies before entering a market. Intellectual property protection is also very important, especially for companies that rely on innovation, such as technology or creative industries. Without proper protection, their products or ideas can be copied by competitors. In addition, labor laws regulate employee rights, including wage, working hours, and workplace safety. Companies can fail to comply with these laws, may face legal penalties, financial loss, or reputational damage. Therefore, understanding the legal environment helps business operate safely, avoid conflicts, and build trust with stakeholders. Technological environment. The technological environment includes the development and use of technology that affects business operations and competitiveness. Technology plays a crucial role in modern business, especially in international markets. It allows companies to improve efficiency, reduce operational costs, and increase productivity. For example, automation and artificial intelligence can streamline production process, while digital communication tools enable companies to coordinate activities across different countries in real time. E-commerce platforms and digital marketing also make it possible for business to reach global consumers more easily. Even small business can now enter international markets through online platforms. However, rapid technological change also creates challenges. Companies must continuously update their systems and skills to remain competitive. They also need to invest in cybersecurity to protect their data and operations. In this case, businesses that are able to adapt quickly to technological change will have a significant advantage over their competitors. Accounting environment. The accounting environment refers to the financial reporting systems and standards used in different countries. In international business, companies must deal with different accounting standards and practice. For example, some countries use IFRS while others apply their own local GAAP. These differences can create complexity when companies operate in multiple countries. Financial statements must often be adjusted to meet different reporting requirements, which can be time-consuming and costly. In addition, transparency and accuracy in financial reporting are very important. Investors and stakeholders rely on financial information to make decisions. So, companies must ensure their reports are reliable and comply with regulations. Taxation is another important aspect of the accounting environment. Each country has its own tax system, including tax rates, rules, and reporting procedures. Companies must understand these systems to avoid penalties and optimize their financial performance. A strong understanding of the accounting environment helps companies maintain credibility and make better financial decisions. Political environment. The political environment includes government policies, political stability, and regulations that influence business activities. Political factors can greatly influence business operations in international markets. A stable political environment provides confidence for investors and supports long-term business planning. On the other hand, political instability such as conflicts, corruption, or sudden policy change can create uncertainty and increase business risks. For example, change in trade policies or government regulations can directly impact a company's operations and profitability. Governments also influence business through policies such as taxation, subsidies, and investment regulations. In some cases, governments may provide incentives to attract foreign investors, while in other cases, they may impose restrictions. Companies must continuously monitor political developments and be prepared to adjust their strategies. Understanding the political environment helps business reduce uncertainty and make more informed decisions. Impact of international business. These four environments significantly influence international business decisions. Legal, technological, accounting, and political environments all have a direct impact on how companies operate globally. Business must adapt to legal requirements, adopt appropriate technologies, follow accounting standards, and understand political conditions. For example, failure to comply with legal regulations may result in fines or business restrictions. Lack of technological advancement can reduce efficiency and competitiveness. Inaccurate financial reporting may damage credibility and investor trust. Similarly, ignoring political risks can lead to unexpected loss or disruptions in operations. Therefore, companies must consider all these factors when making strategic decisions. By understanding these environments, business can reduce risks, improve operational efficiency, and increase their chance of success in international markets. Challenges and strategies. Companies face various challenges such as regulatory differences, rapid technological change, accounting complexities, and political uncertainties. When operating internationally, companies often encounter complex challenges. Differences in legal systems can make compliance difficult. Rapid technological change requires continuous investment and adaptation. Accounting differences can complicate financial management, especially for multinational companies that must prepare reports in multiple formats. Political uncertainty can also create risks and are difficult to predict. To overcome this challenge, companies need well-planned strategies. Conducting environment analysis helps business understand the condition of the target market. Adapting to local regulations and cultural differences is also essential. Investing in technology and innovation allows companies to remain competitive. In addition, building strong relationships with local partners, governments, and stakeholders can help companies operate more effectively. With the right strategies, companies can turn challenges into opportunities for growth. In conclusion, these four environments play a crucial role in shaping how business operate and compete in the global market. Companies that understand these factors can better manage risks and take advantage of opportunities. Although entering global markets offers many benefits, it also requires careful planning and adaptation. Business must be flexible, innovative, and responsive to change in their environment. By continuously learning and improving their strategies, companies can achieve sustainable growth and long-term success in international business. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.